How to get Doordash tax form. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the Doordash tax form. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So if I go to the Doordash tax help, here in Dasher's guide to taxes, here in the question, how will tax forms be delivered? Doordash says that eligible Dashers who earn more than $600 in 2022 should have received an email invite to create a Stripe Express account by December 31, 2022. The email subject line is confirm your tax information with Stripe. If you did not receive the email invitation but earned $600 or more in 2022 on Doordash, contact Doordash support by clicking here. Please note that you will only receive a 1099 NEC if you receive $600 or more in 2022. So here is the answer to your question. So I will leave this page link in my description. You can go onto this page, and if you need more help you can tap on here and Doordash will help you with your tax forms. So this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.